I guess so weekend.
At sa iba pang mga balita, mga main characters dagsana sa mga terminal ng bus operators, full capacity. Ang kompletong detalye sa pagpapatrol ni Melanie Beltran. Melanie. Yes, Karina, 3:00 ng madaling araw at dagsana nga sa mga terminal ng bus dito sa Cubao ang mga main characters na magsisipag-uwian sa kani-kanilang mga probinsya ngayong nalalapit na undas. Gaya na lamang nitong magpinsa na sina Jeneline at Roslyn na tila handang-handa na sa kanilang pag-uwi. Oh, me? Yeah, I'm super excited. Just ko 3 months ako nagpagluta drip for this and also got blonde hair with highlights. Me, very subtle lang. I just had my hair color treated, tapos I had some eyelash extensions. But girl, ang ganda ng kulay ng buhok mo, ha?
Wait, really?
Para sa'yo. Pero how's my
thank you,
lashes?
sis.
Si Mark naman, na-excited nang i-flex ang kanyang mobile phone. Oh, madam, umutang talaga ako ng bagong phone para ano ba? Pang flex-flex sa mga tropa dun. Meron din namang mga pasaherong kagaya ni Noemi na di umano'y mahigit 1 dekada nang hindi nakakauwi. Gusto ko lang pong madalaw ang puntod ng aking inay. Dinalaw niya po kasi ako sa aking panaginip. Katunayan ho, 13 years na po akong hindi nakauwi sa amin. Hindi ho kasi kami maayos bago siya namatay. Hindi ko nga po alam sa mismo yung puntod niya pero bahala na po, hanapin ko po doon. Karina, doble kayod naman ang mga bus operators na nasa full capacity ang mga biyahe ngayong peak season ng taon.
Ay, oo ma'am, tuloy-tuloy. Actually, yung ibang mga pasahero dyan, kagabi pa yan dito. Sanay na din kami ma'am, kasi gano'n naman talaga tayo pag undas. Kami, gustuhin man namin umuwi, pero sayang din naman kasing double pay.
Karina, inaasahang magtutuloy-tuloy ang pagdagsa ng mga main characters sa mga bus terminals hanggang sa mismong araw ng undas. Pinapaalalahanan ng Land Transport Office at ng mga local bus operators ang mga pasahero na magdoble ingat sa mga oportunista at sa mga masasamang loob ngayong nalalapit na undas. At yan ang latest dito sa Cubao Bus Terminal. Balik sa iyo, Karina. Maraming salamat, Melanie. Melanie, maitanong ko lamang, ilang liners ba ang nasa mismong terminal na yan?
Ilan, ma'am?
Isa.
Melanie?
Kana.
Melanie, come in.
19 lang ma'am, ito sakay ka na.
Ito na yung bus.
Paris na
Okay,
yan,
sige.
maya-maya.
Si Bading nang lalamang. Ninang, where are you?
I'm here, dear.
Ay, ang ganda-ganda naman talaga ng ninang ko na yan.
Yes, which makes me wonder, saan ka nagmana?
Aga-aga. Anyway, I bought you fertilizers on my way here kasi di ba mahilig ka magtanim?
Nang sama ng loob, yes.
Nagsagot talaga siya. Anyway,
Come sit with me, have some tea.
mas mainit pa ulo mo dito, ninang. Ha? Ninang, tahimik mo.
Can you be too?
I-close na lang kasi ang mouth. Strike 3 ka na sa akin, ninang, ha? Aga-aga.
My apologies, darling. This headache, it's killing me. I think I have a fever coming up.
Ay, ayun naman pala. Hindi nagsabi agad, nagsungit-sungit pa. O eto, take Saridon for fast-acting relief for fever and headache. Also, alam kong minsan masakit na yung katawan mo kakagalat ng buong barangay kakahanap ng chismis at sa pag-maintain ng garden mo. Kaya keep mo na din to in the future. Sarimax for long-lasting pain relief for body ache. Better sorry than sorry.
Oh, thank you so much, my dear. You're as beautiful as my garden.
Anong flower ako, ninang?
It's a herbal garden.
Alright, hi. How was your week? It's bad. I still catch myself overthinking. Tsaka ang bilis ko I can't relate. Anyway, last week I was in Japan. Life-changing, by the way. And you know what? While I was there, I was able to reflect on how privileged I am na hindi ako nakatali sa 9 to 5. That I can... Wait, OMG, ako nga pala yung therapist mo, diba? Of course, I walked out. Kasi I just cannot tolerate the disrespect anymore. You know what I mean? Period. Baka nakshi ko yan. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, this will be the last time you'll see my face. Siyang tunay ba yan, Nok? Siyang tunay, ma. But of course, when you look back, you'll also remember the beautiful memories, the good times you shared. But then it's temporary because you'll also remember the bad things. So how did that make you feel? I just have to accept that it's over. You are so brave. You know, sometimes kasi talaga life takes us somewhere we are not prepared for and we just have to embrace the journey. Here's a tissue. Wow, biglang ayos ng sagot, Doc, ha, kasi may endorsement. Just cherish the moment. Pero ang bongga nitong Kleenex softbox, ha? 190 sheets of premium 2-ply tissue made from 100% virgin fiber. I know that's right. Patingin nga ako ng IG ng ex mo. Ay, gets kita, Nok. Sure kaya mo to bigyan ng third chance? Okay, I guess I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Doc, wala ka bang ibibigay na prescription sa akin for medication? Prescription? Prescription. Ganto, bigyan na lang kita Spotify playlist. Nako, perfecto pang sad girl moments.
Is it a place? No. A person? No. An item? Yeah. Is it made of metal?
Maybe. Ulem.
No.
Sapaw.
No.
Condiment.
No.
Kulay.
Yes.
คลาทะลองมาลงไขสีเทา
Plastic?
Maybe.
You've got to give me something here. And kindly pick up the pace and answer a little bit faster.
I can't. Like, he's being so serious right now.
Tao. No. Bagay. Hayop. No.
Lugar.
Lugar. Local.
Wait, ako naman. Ay, sige, ako magsagot sa'yo. Tao. Hindi. Hayop. Hindi dong. Bagay. Pwede.
Lugar.
Pwede.
Alam ko to. Binibilhan ko ng mga gamit.
Corrected by.
Meron silang epic 11th birthday sale happening now until March 13.
Yesterday once more.
Fast and free shipping.
Kukurikabu.
Patong-patong na discount.
Tumpak ganun.
Lazada. It's the Lazada Epic 11th birthday sale happening now until March 13.
Kaya check out na.
Luzon. No. Visayas. Regency.
We.
Aklan and TK Capiz Guimaras Negros Occidental Iloy. Could have picked something harder. It's orange. You idiot, then why wouldn't you say food instead of color? It would have been literally easier for me to arrive at the correct answer.
Hey,
Yeah?
are you excited about the upcoming Liga?
Yeah?
Which team will you be rooting for? I actually haven't decided yet. I'm kind of more excited about winning the Muse competition.
Yeah?
Not if I win it. You're joining too? How could you? You know, I've been preparing for it for like a whole year. Threatened? Okay, you know what? Here, Cadbury shots. Whoever tosses and gets 3 chocolate balls into her mouth first will be the one to join the competition. Sounds fair.
Siya na yun, ah. Liga, may wala nakita. Wait, time burst, nagayos ako ng wig. What on earth is going on here?
Hi, Nina. We had a bet and the winner will join the Muse competition.
And do we have a winner? I always thought beauty is your only asset.
Talagang Pilipina, yeah. Talagang
That wasn't a compliment. Anyway, listen to me. Here is what you girls should be competing for. Marion Zinaida is now back from abroad, and she brought her son with her. He's about your age, quite the handsome young man I've heard, and he, in fact, will be joining the Liga. One of you must ensnare this young man with your beauty. I understand that I cannot trust your wits to do the job. But make me proud, my darlings. Think of all the dollars. Show me a real Pinay success story.
Nina, I think you're watching too much Bridgerton.
Oh, shut it. I'm only trying to secure your family's future. You'll thank me. You'll see. The Liga is in few days. Break a leg, or I'll break them for you.
But honestly, that made me more excited about the Liga. OMG, Sam.
Ay, girl, andito na yung rider ko. Mauna na ako, alis na ako ha.
Ate, susulat ka ate ha, magpakatatag ka, mag-ingat ka doon.
Okay, magkikita talaga tayo bukas. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Hi mo kay tita. Hoy, daanan mo ako bukas.
Here's your order,
Ayan,
ma'am.
Thank you so
Parang
much.
ang
sarap. Ay. May buhok.
Sorry, ma'am. Kunin ko na lang po
Sino
ulit.
siya? Mas maganda ba siya sa akin? Mas bata? Mas sexy?
Lu,
Sumagot ka! 14 na taon, Louie. Tinapon mo lahat ng yun. Huwag na huwag mong aasahang makikita mo pa ang mga bata. Manluloko! Manluloko ka! Manluloko
ma'am, sorry.
mo
Ano
ako.
pong nangyayari?
Panoorin mo. Scene. Papalitan na lang natin kuya.
Okay po. Sorry po ulit.
may baliw sa table 9.
Diba yun? Parang yun yung best mo so far. Uy, girl, alam mo ba? Kumuha na ako ng life insurance.
Ate? Ate, nagpapaalam ka ba? Ate, bakit may nararamdaman ka ba, ate? Bakit hindi ko to alam? Ang bata-bata mo pa, breadwinner ka, ate.
Over naman sa slap. So for OA mo kasi, di porket kumuha ng life insurance, tegi na agad. Kuya, bill out. Hindi yun ganun, girl. Kinuha ko yung akin from BDO Life bilang plan B. Alam mo yun, parang safety net, just in case may mangyari sa akin, maaksidente ako, magkasakit, biglang kunin ni Lord. Lalo na't sabi mo nga, breadwinner ako. At least kahit may mangyari sa akin, di tuloy ang buhay ng pamilya ko. Di kukuha na din pala ako, kasi breadwinner din naman ako ng pamilya. Paano ba yan? Yung dali lang, punta ka lang sa BDO branch, may mga BDO Life Financial Advisors doon. Cash payment kami, ha? Kahit saan? Oo, lahat ng branches nga meron. Thank you so much. Pero pwede ka naman pumunta din sa website muna nila para magpa-quote. Ay, halalok, ang ganda nito, ate.
Ay ma'am, may mga naka-sale yan up to 50% off. Eto ma'am, tingnan niyo po dito.
Sabihin mo sa akin, ate. Mukha ba ako may problema sa pera? Halika nga dito. Aray, aray.